Mabuhay and sawadee ka! I am Patricia Diaz, your Miss International Queen, Philippines 2025, and your Kamol Cosmetic Hospital Ambassadress. Before, it is a dream, but now, it is a dream come true. Being here in Kamol Cosmetics Hospital is a privilege for me. Earlier, I met Madam Om and of course, Dr.Kamol. And I got so many lessons, especially by undergoing surgeries. The hospital is very nice, and it's very obvious that they have a very modern technology. The staff is very accommodating, and I'm very looking forward to be here doing what I want and the best dream body that I really wanted for the very long time. The thing that makes me decided to do my breast augmentation revision is that because every time that I look in the mirror, I notice that my breast starting to sag, and it's not proportion to my body. It's starting to become lower than before, because before my breast is very firm, round, and I'm very confident to that. And the reason why I wanted to do the revision is because I want to regain the self-confidence that I had before. After the operation, of course, there is a little bit of swelling, and also it's very hard for me to move and to get up in my bed. But of course, Kamol Cosmetics Hospital have a very wonderful staffs and nurses. They take care good of me, and in that way, of course, they will lessen the pain because they help me to recover in the best way possible. If there is some advice that I can give to those people who want to regain their confidence level by doing a revision and their breast augmentation, is that first, you have to be ready in all aspects. You have to be ready physically, emotionally, mentally, and of course, financially. But of course, everything will be worth it because after the operation, after all the preparation, you will see your body in front of the mirror with a brand new shape, brand new size, and it will regain your confidence. And because boosting your confidence level is very important, because that is the thing that makes us more beautiful. If there is one message that I would like to give to the Kamol Cosmetics Hospital and to all team, staffs, and nurses, is that thank you very much. I can't thank you enough, because by regaining my confidence level is the most precious thing that I can get by staying here at Kamol Cosmetics Hospital and by visiting the country of Thailand. So I hope that you will continue to help those people to look more beautiful, to regain their confidence, and to treat their problem. Again, this is Patricia Diaz, Miss International Queen Philippines 2025. And thank you very much for everyone, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye-bye!